Everybody let me see you clap those hands. Come now and let me see you clap those hands. Everybody let me see you clap those hands. Come now and let me see you clap those hands. I tell you how it, hey. Tell you how it, I tell you how it, Lord. Tell you I got it, oh Lord, Lord. I am a real carnival to Bangkok. Hard carnival to Bangkok. As soon as carnival done this year, well I just start catching fever. When the doctor come diagnose me, tell me why the world is not thinking. It's just delusions and delusions of me thinking, so can you help me? Every time I hear a police siren, I'm thinking this is God coming to take me to the next venue, so my performance will not be short. When I see a big truck in Port of Spain, thinking it's a hot of bliss. It's a big dump truck passing with red sand in it. Lord, I tell you how it, tell you how it, I tell you how it, Lord, tell you how it, yeah. Everybody let me see you clap those hands. Come now and let me see you clap those hands. Everybody let me see you clap those hands. Come now and let me see you clap those hands. I be jumping on the road with tribe. Do with my woman on my right hand side. All my friends and them from outside. Who from north and who from south side. I be jumping with the man in the road. I'll call in me and it cold. When them girl them bumpers are roll. Man them marking bumpers to hole. Well anytime I go out and buy some bills, all I see is Juve. When the blue devils them bumper, I'm in the black